We're always looking for the foods that can make us feel better, or the medicine that can cure us, or the best new workout. But have you ever stopped to think how the light in our own home could potentially help us? Of course you didn't. We hadn't either. Until now. Stylus introduces the first NIR LED hybrid light bulb. Traditional LEDs emit high efficiency light, but to be this efficient, LEDs have to get rid of a different type of energy, known as near infrared, or NIR. NIR is light from the sun that is converted into energy that your body absorbs. Your body then uses that energy in a wide range of processes, like cell regeneration and memory stabilization. And that's just a couple. I didn't even mention boosting metabolism, increased energy, and, well, we could be here for a while. Now I can imagine at this point you're saying, whoa, hold up. You're telling me a light bulb can do this? Stylus is not just your average light bulb. This is what an LED spectrum looks like. And this is the sun's. Remember earlier I said that LED had to get rid of NIR energy to be so efficient? Well, just look at how much energy is lost, which means our bodies are not absorbing any of it. What research has shown to date is that the human body is specifically designed to absorb and distribute NIR over an inch into our body, through the skull and into the brain. Even more inspiring is the fact that the human body uses NIR's unique absorption characteristics to localize NIR in cells that are damaged, specifically cancer cells. Okay, so why all of this information now? Well, for millions of years, there really was no reason to monitor NIR exposure because people spent the majority of their time outside. But now, with over 90% of our time spent inside under artificial lighting, our body absorbs less than 1% of NIR light per day. How many lights have you turned on over the years? Each switch telling you that lights are for nothing more than illuminating a space. But what if your light is just being lazy? Light like you know what you're doing. Light like you know what you want. Light with Stylus. This is Stylus, or at least a very early version of him. But don't be fooled. This little guy has a lot to offer, but we need your help to light the way. So here's the deal. Depending on the package you choose, you'll receive a Stylus light bulb that does more than just, say, illuminate a space. But don't worry, it does that too. You will be exposing your body to the NIR energy it has been missing out on for all these years. By joining the team at Stylus, you are not only receiving a great product, but you are becoming part of a community that believes that light shouldn't only help us see, but it should make us feel good too. So go ahead, pick out your light. It looks good on you.